National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Shelby County, northeastern Darke County, northwestern Miami County, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near St. Henry, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Piqua, Versailles, Covington, Newport, Bradford, Pleasant Hill, Webster, Russia, Osgood, North Star, Rossburg, Lockington, New Weston, Yorkshire, Polo, New Bern, Darke County Airport, State Route 47 at U.S. Route 127, Eldora Speedway and Willow Dell. This includes I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 78 and 88.